Hi guys, it's Simon Francis from AFC Bournemouth. During this lockdown, I thought I'd share with you a couple of recipes that help me get by. First one I'm going to do is a little pre-workout peanut butter cup energy balls. Everyone likes a sweet treat. This is probably as healthy a version as you can get. Something I like to have in the morning or take out with me when I go out on the bike cycling. Really small, easy to travel with. When you haven't got time to make a big breakfast, perfect to have at home. I've got Hallie with me, my daughter, who's my helper today, and I'm going to show you how easy these can be to make and how tasty they are. So the ingredients we've got is half a cup of pitted dates. It's very easy to have everything in a little cup or jar, so measurements are very easy. We've got porridge oats. Those ones are gluten-free, but obviously you can use any preference, and that's 2/3 of a cup. We've got 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Any peanut butter will do, any you've got to hand. Dark chocolate, 1/4 cup dark chocolate. The darker the better for me. I really like strong dark chocolate, but any chocolate will do. And then 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Obviously we know how healthy they are, very good for you. So Hallie, if you'd like to put all the ingredients into the NutriBullet cup, that would help. They're very quick and easy to make. We're going to blitz all the ingredients together for a few seconds and then mould them into little balls. And they'll go into the fridge for as long as possible, really, a few hours at least, preferably overnight, so they stay in their shape and they're perfect for the next morning. They will last probably a few days, maybe up to a week, if you keep them in the fridge. We'll use a spoon. Put that in. Get the peanut butter in. Last ingredient. Yeah. Thank you. And now we're going to blend in the NutriBullet for about 5 seconds. Not too long. So you can start to see it mix together. And that should be it. And then we're going to, hopefully it's coming together pretty well, looks like it has. Use a spoon just to get it out onto the paper so we can get it into a little mould. It does look crumbly now, but once you get it all together, the dates and the peanut butter will have everything stick together. And then obviously being in the fruit, they'll get a lot more solid. This way you can get the kids involved, make them into little shapes. And we like to do it in a little circle so it's more compact and easier to have with you. How if you want to break them up, you can use the knife to make them into little circles. I'll do half if you want.
Why is it warm?
Yeah, it's warmed up in the NutriBullet. So just into little.
It's all crumbling though. I think you've made it too small.
Into little balls like that. And once they're a little bit cooler from being in the fridge, you can perfect the mould into perfect little circles if you want. Just showing you now how easy they are to get into a shape. And there you go. Quick and easy peanut butter protein energy balls, perfect for first thing in the morning when you're on the go. I'll be back later as well to give you a post-workout little meal snack kind of thing that I like to have when I've been working out, training or been on the bike. So thanks for joining me.